Welcome to part 4. In this part, we are going to learn about tables with CSS. For creating table, you will have to use the table tag. For creating header of table, you need to use the th tag. For creating each row, you need to use the tr tag. For creating cells inside each row, you need to use the td tag, as td stands for table standard in HTML5. Now let's create the table. First of all, you will have to use the table tag. And now if you want to give the header of table, so you need to use the ts tag. Like here I'm giving the header 1 tags. Header 2 and header 3. That will be 3 columns. For creating each row, you need to use the tr tag, and inside tr, the td tag for creating cells. Like here, I'm giving raw text. Save the file. Refresh the browser. Now if you want to increase an additional cell, so you will have to increase the td tag. As here you can see, now the row 1 has 4 cells. Let's create some more rows for better consideration. Now that's the simple HTML5 table structure. Now if you want to give some presentational effect with CSS, so you need to do some CSS coding inside style tag. So let's start with the main element tag of table, that is th and td. Let's first give the border 1 pixel in size, solid in shape, and border color will be triple D. Let's give some padding. Here I am giving 15 pixel. Save the file. Refresh the browser. As you can see here, the border with padding. Now here you can see some cell spacing inside this table. So now if you want to remove the cell spacing, so you need to use the border collapse property. I'm implementing inside the table. Border collapse like this with the value collapse. This will remove your cell spacing, as you can see here. Now let's change the table header background color. Let's make it black with color white. And let's apply the font family to all the body elements. That will be affected on all the body elements. Let's increase the size of the table. Make it 100%. Save the file. Refresh the browser. As you can see here, let's change the position of text to center. Now it looks more promising. Now here, if you want to change the specific raw background color or text color, so you need to use the nth child with the element. Like here I want to change the odd number of rows, so I will use here odd series with tr element. For this you will use the nChild property, and here I want to apply this CSS coding for odd series, so I will write it here odd inside the brackets. Now let's change the background color. Text color as well. Save the file. Refresh the browser. As you can see here, the odd series specific raw background color has been changed. So that's the fourth part. I hope you like.